07 Saleen is back in the shop. As you guys can see right there. He read you guys' comments, so YouTube works. And he said, I gotta bring it back. Everybody wants me to take the H pipe off, so I will. So let me show you. Back to converter, back to converter. There's where the H pipe was. We cut it off and capped it for now. This is just for testing purposes. Right there. And right there, there's the Black Widow still there and there. And then the pipe continues out the side. All this is going to be taken off. We'll have a third video on it in a little bit. But this is for testing for the weekend. And then we installed the flat tips. He took the boxes off because they were giving it like a droning effect when it had the original Saleen boxes. So we took them off and put them some flat tips out the sides. Right there. Which looks, to me, looks a lot cleaner. It actually fits the truck a lot more, which I had to agree with them, especially with them being black. Look at that. It's so clean. Black flat tips. We'll see if there's a link in the description for it for you guys. There, put extra hangers on it, and right there. Come out really clean, really nice. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys like, comment, and hit that subscribe. There's the Saleen truck. It's definitely loud. That's a clean look right there. Wow. Just perfect for this. Yeah. Here's sound decibels. 140. You guys remember what the sound decibels were before? 114 now. Wow. That sounds so much better. Here's the side for you guys. Let it idle. That's the idle. Go ahead. That's clean. That's really clean. I like it. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, I was surprised before. I remember I was like too quiet. Now you can actually hear the Black Widows, man. Wow, it's got a pop to it now. Ford F-150 Saleen, pushing 500 horse. That sounds clean. Here on it. Now it sounds like a Saleen truck. Just wait till he's getting a cold air intake that is supposed to increase at another 50 horse. Because these trucks are so choked from the factory. I love the look of that. It's so much better than the round ones. Just fits the whole truck together nicely.